Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. We got a great episode. We're going to start off with a shout out. Now, the drink I'm making today comes all the way from Holland. And one of my subscribers sent it in. It was from Freedom Sufferer Cards. So go check Freedom Sufferer Cards out. I'll put the link up. I'll put the link in the description. And then at the end of the video, I'll put the subscribe button to his channel so you can give him a sub. So again, that's Freedom Sufferer Cards. And he sent me in a drink. Actually, he sent me in a drink recipe. He didn't send the drink all the way from Holland, Bookie. Come on, don't be stupid. All right, so the name of the drink is a Van Gogh Dutch Appel Sangria. So I got a pitcher here. And we're going to start out with a full bottle of dry white wine. And then I have a cup of freshly cut pears. A cup of freshly cut apples. A half cup of freshly cut lemons, and then a cup of starfruit. I have a whole starfruit here. It's such a pretty fruit. I'm gonna save some for the garnish. So I'm just gonna cut up my starfruit. Look how pretty that is. And we'll save a little bit for garnish. And then I'm going to continue on with the Van Gogh Dutch Apple Sangria. Oh, got to get my starfruit in there. All right, we got 2.5 ounces of apple flavored vodka. Now, before you say, oh, don't use Russian vodka, you should boycott it. It's made in Toronto, Canada. And although Smirnoff sounds incredibly Russian, it is not a Russian vodka. All right, and then we got 6 ounces of pineapple juice. And 2.5 ounces of any orange flavored liqueur. I have triple sec today. So we got 1, 2.5. And then it says 3 tablespoons of sugar. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says I'm sweet enough as it is, so we don't need any sugar. So that is my Van Gogh Dutch Apple Sangria. And we're off to British Columbia. We're going to check out the Log Barn 1912, which is sort of a roadside attraction and a pit stop. I should give a little bit of a disclaimer. It's a massive tourist trap. All the Japanese tour buses stop there and everything's ridiculously priced. But if you're driving on highway number 97A in interior British Columbia and you need a rest stop and you have kids, there's tons of cool stuff. They got a petting zoo and dinosaur statues and all that stuff. Just maybe keep your wallet in your pocket when you go there. Anyways, again, go check out Freedom Sufferer Cards, and we're off to BC. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.